If you wash your hands as much as I do, you know the struggle. Dry, tight, cracked skin that regular lotion just can't fix. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I used to carry around 3 different bottles of lotion, but my hands still felt dry an hour later. That's because lotions are mostly water. What you actually need is a balm. Today, I'm showing you how to make this Silky Hand Saver Balm. It uses just 3 base ingredients to create an invisible shield over your skin, and it smells like a spa day. We start by combining 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of beeswax in a heat-safe bowl. I'm using a microwave in 30-second bursts, but a double boiler is even better if you want to watch it closely. Once that is fully melted, stir in your 2 tablespoons of almond oil. This thins out the wax so the final balm is spreadable and creamy and not a hard candle. This is important because essential oils are volatile. If you dump them into boiling hot wax, the scent can evaporate. We want it warm but not scorching. Now we add 12 drops of the Sleepy Oil blend. This blend has lavender, grapefruit, bergamot, and hoe wood. It's floral and citrusy, but that hoe wood gives it a warm, comforting base. Pour the mixture right into your 2-ounce jar and let it sit at room temperature until it solidifies. Once it sets, look at that texture. It's solid in the jar, but the second it touches your warm skin, it melts right in. It doesn't feel sticky, it feels like a protective glove. I love using this right before bed so it can repair my hands while I sleep. This Silky Hand Saver Balm was a gem from our February recipe box. And here is the best part. If you were to go buy a bag of beeswax pellets and a jar of coconut oil just for this one recipe, it's annoying and expensive. When you subscribe to Simply Earth, you get the big bonus box for free. It includes the solid coconut oil, the almond oil, and the beeswax we use today. If you want to start making your own skincare, check the link below. If the February box is sold out, don't worry. The link goes to our current box and you'll still get that big bonus box to stock your cabinet with the basics. I'd love to know, are you team balm thick and protective or team lotion light and airy? Let me know in the comments. If you make this, tag us with #IMadeThis. We love seeing your homemade apothecary grow. See you in the next video.